Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer earnings with Pond5 to your US bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your earnings from Pond5 to your US bank, start by logging into your Pond5 account. Once logged in, navigate to the earnings section of your account dashboard. Here, you will find a summary of your total earnings and any pending payouts. Next, locate the payout method option, usually found in the settings menu. Click on Payout method to set up or review your current payment details. If you haven't linked a US bank account yet, select Add a Payout method. Choose the option for bank transfer, which may be. You will need to input your bank account number and routing number. Double-check your information for accuracy before proceeding. After entering your bank details, save the changes to your payout method. Now, return to the earnings section to initiate a transfer. Look for an option labeled Request Payout or Withdraw Earnings. Select this option to begin the withdrawal process. Specify the amount you wish to transfer to your US bank. Review any applicable fees associated with the transfer before confirming. Confirm your request to withdraw the specified amount. You'll receive a confirmation message that your payout has been initiated. Pond5 will process your request, which may take a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming deposit. If you encounter any issues, consult Pond5's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.